Hi, I am Miss Cook. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun lesson today? Make sure you have everything you need before we start. You'll need to watch the video above this presentation before viewing this PowerPoint. Who knows, there may be a special appearance from a famous historian. You'll need a yummy snack. I recommend something colorful like carrots, blueberries, a banana, or Cheez-Its. And you'll need yourself. Pay very close attention. Today we'll be learning about number 1, Sir Isaac Newton's discovery of light, number 2, what a prism is and what it does to light rays, number 3, the visible spectrum and colors we see every day, and lastly, we'll be learning about Roy G. Biv and what does it stand for. So, who is excited to learn? The history of light. First off, we'll start with Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was a very influential scientist who discovered many new scientific ideas. He also was an English mathematician, astronomer, someone who studies stars and space, and physicist, someone who studies the science of physics. He studied many other topics related to science, but we are specifically focusing on his study of light today. So, what did Newton discover? One day, while Newton was in his study, he started playing around with a prism and holding it up to the light coming from his window. A prism is a see-through object that has many sides and faces used for reflecting light. When the light bounces off the side of a prism, we see colors of the rainbow. This is exactly what Newton saw. He realized that, even though white and clear light was coming through the window onto his prism, all of the colors of the rainbow, Roy G. Biv, were shown on the wall. This is what he saw. Newton saw all of the colors in the visible spectrum. The visible spectrum is the light rays that we as humans can see with our eyes. Newton named the colors Roy G. Biv, which stands for R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, G for green, B for blue, I for indigo, and V for violet. Because of Sir Isaac Newton, now we are able to understand how a prism works, what light does, and now we know how the colors of the rainbow were discovered and that white and clear light contains all the rest of the colors when it is reflected. Yay! Great job, first graders! We are all done with today's lesson. Now, read over these questions with a parent and tell them what you think the answer is. If you can't figure out the answer on your own, go back through the lesson and you'll find it. Our first question is, what is a prism? What does it do? Take time to write your answer down or discuss it with a parent. Question 2, what is the visible spectrum? And question 3, what does Roy G. Biv stand for? Thank you for being such awesome learners. We will see you next time.